What if I told you you've been trading blind this whole time? And this tool actually shows which side has the real strength. The indicator we're going to reveal today is a powerful confirmation tool that reveals whether buyers or sellers are dominating in real time. It's designed to be used alongside any of your existing strategies, market structures, order blocks, or trendline rejections, to increase your chances of taking high probability trades backed by actual volume strength. The indicator works by measuring the imbalance between buying and selling volume. It calculates how much of the total volume comes from bullish candles versus bearish candles, and converts that into a percentage showing buy and sell strength. When the reading shows 55% or more in favor of buyers, it signals that buying pressure is dominant, and when it shows 55% or more on the sell side, it indicates strong selling control. The name of the indicator is Volume Delta by Big Beluga. We'll move straight to how it works. Let's say the market structure is bullish. You've drawn your trend line and are waiting for price to reject it. Once it does, you check the volume delta reading, and if it shows 55% or higher buy strength with candles colored as bullish, that confirms strong buyer momentum, so you take the trade confidently from that candle. Similarly, in a bearish scenario, where your bias is sell, you look for a rejection from an order block or resistance zone, and if the indicator shows 55% or more sell strength with your candles in bearish color, that's your confirmation to take the short trade. On top of that, Volume Delta also includes a dashboard table that lets you monitor multiple pairs simultaneously, showing real-time buy-sell strength percentages so you can instantly spot where momentum is strongest and focus on the best opportunities. It's not just an indicator, it's a confirmation engine that helps filter weak setups, validate momentum, and align your entries with real market strength.